Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever you're watching this video. Hope it finds you very well. Today, going to be working on a Super King Air, and this Super King Air is California. So, and pretty cool. So, out here very early this morning. The sun isn't even up, but already got everything set up and getting ready to rock and roll. If you're interested in having any services conducted for you or your business or government entity, please give us a call at 1-800-292-2341. That's 800-292-2341.